Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you the basics of Proteus and circuit, that how we can find out the voltages and current in the circuit by using any ammeter or voltmeter. So let's start with taking the components. So take 220 ohms resistor. We will just take 220 ohm resistor, then we will change the value of that and take the DC source. Just write source and go into simulator parameters, and here you will find it DC source. You can get AC source, but here we are using DC source, so just take DC source. Now mix circuit. Here we have put the DC source, and then let's start putting these resistors here. Let's rotate these resistors. By double clicking on it, we can change the value of resistors as well. I can make it 100 ohms. Here I can change this by double clicking. Five 800 or 500 ohms, and this I can make it 1000, mean 1k. So we have taken our all resistance and just change the value of input voltage. I can make it 10 volts. Press OK and just connect the wires. Just connect the circuit as per your desire. So I'm just connecting all the resistors and source, just to give you the concept that how a circuit will work. Now here I have connected all the resistors with the voltage source, DC voltage source, and from here you can take AC, DC ammeter, DC voltmeter. So let's take DC voltmeter. Let's measure the voltage across any resistor and rotate it, and just connect this voltmeter across the resistors. So it will provide us the voltage drop against each resistor, that how much voltage is getting dropped at each resistor. As you all know, as an electrical engineer or as an electrician, you will come to know that while measuring voltage, you should be putting the voltmeter in parallel to the circuit. So let's run the program. Here you are seeing that 10 volt is applied, and voltage drop against 500 ohm resistance is 8.4 volts, and voltage drop against 220 ohm resistor is 0.2 volts, and voltage drop against 1k resistor is 1.828 volts. So as you know that sum of all the voltages in a closed circuit will be equal to 0. So as you will calculate, you will come to know that they all will be making 10 volts, like 8.4. You will add all this voltage, you will get to know that sum of all them is 10 volts. Now just stop the circuit simulation, and let's put in some AC ammeters. As you know that ammeter should be connected in series with the circuit, so we just need to break the circuit, and we have to adjust this ammeter here, and this is connected here. And as now This ammeter is connected in series with these two resistors. We can add one ammeter here as well. So we will just break the circuit and we will adjust this ammeter here, and let's connect terminal off. Now let's start again the simulation. See, this is showing how much current is passing through this whole circuit and how much voltage is getting dropped from all this circuit. So this is the basic circuit that is showing you how voltage and ammeter is working and how current is flowing and how voltage is getting dropped in the circuit. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.